IELTS 13 Academic. Hello, I am Monica, and in this video I am going to attempt this reading passage. The full reading practice I am going to show step by step how to attempt the reading passage. This is test 1 and academic reading passage 3. Book is of course IELTS 13. Always read the instructions. You should spend about 20 minutes on questions 27 to 40 which are based on reading passage 3 below. Okay, this is the reading. This is the title excuse me. Artificial artist. Can computers really create works of art? Can computers really create works of art? Now the passage has been divided into small paragraphs, but without any naming of these paragraphs like we have in different paragraphs like A, B, C alphabetically. It is given the name. Now let's look at the types of questions we have. As soon as we get the reading passage, you should always look at the title as well as the instructions and just go to the question department, question section to look at the type of questions we are going to handle in this passage. First is question 27 to 31. Choose the correct letter. Okay, choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. A, B, C or D. Write the correct letter in boxes 27, 31 on your answer sheet. Okay, the examiner is saying you should write your answer in the answer sheet only. Okay, correct letter. It means what is the type of this question, and by looking at these types of question, it is MCQs. These are MCQs type of questions. In this type of questions we have given four options and we have to choose only one option, like it is given A, B or C or D. Okay, let's read it. And okay, before starting the questions, let's look at the other types of questions we have like this. These are also complete each sentences with the correct ending. Complete each sentence with the correct ending. These are the sentence. We have to complete the sentences with this list of ideas. This is complete each sentence with the correct endings. Okay, let's look at the other three types of questions we have for this paragraph is yes, no, not given. Yes, no, not given. Okay, let's start our video. Let's start this reading passage. Let's look at the type of questions. What is the writer suggesting about computer produced works in the first paragraph? Okay, we will be looking for the first paragraph. What the writer suggesting? It is suggesting. And let's look at the options also side by side. People's acceptance of them can vary considerably. A great deal of progress has already been attained in this field. They have had more success in some artistic genres than in others. The advances are not as significant as the public believes them to be. Okay, these are the options here. Now in first paragraph, as we know, where is the first paragraph? What is the writer suggesting about computer produced programs? First we will be looking for these keywords. Okay, wherever we find the suggestions by the writer, we will be finding these, we will be matching the these options with the options given in the paragraph. Okay, let's look at the word suggest. This is the first paragraph. Okay, where is the suggestions writer is giving? The painting fool is one of the growing number of computer programs which their makers claim possesses creative talents. Classical music by an artificial composer has had audiences. Okay, artworks printed by robot have. Okay, and software has been built which creates art that could not be imagined by the program. Okay, but where is the writer's suggestion? Okay, suggesting painting fool is one of a growing number of computer programs. Yes, I got the word like programs. Computer programs is computer produced work. It is given in the paragraph. Okay, let's people's acceptance of them can vary considerably. A great deal of progress has been attained in this field. Okay, here in the first line it is given clearly is one of a growing number of computer programs with which their makers claim possesses creative talents. Yes, I think a great deal of progress has been attained, has already been attained in this field. Yes, a growing number of computer programs which show their makers claim possesses makers claim. Yes, makers here means, okay, makers claim, it means the makers of computer programs. Makers of computer program, it means one of a growing number of computer program. Next is classical music by an artificial composer has the audiences enraptured. So whenever you come across some different kind of words or difficult words, you don't need to understand the meaning of that word. You just carry on and try to understand the meaning of the lines, and even tricked them into believing a human was behind the score. Artworks painted by a robot have sold for thousands of, had been hung or, okay, prestigious gallery, and software has been built. A software has been built which creates art that could not have been imagined by the programmer. Okay, let's read at the option of them can vary. Nothing is given about vary. Vary is different. Difference or different. A great deal of progress has already attained in this field. Yes, it is given in this way. This is B option. They have, let's look at the other options also, verify it. They have had more success in artistic genre than in others, but nothing is given about comparisons. Let's look at this. Artworks painted by a robot have sold for thousands of dollars and been hung in prestigious gallery, and software has been built which creates art that could not have been imagined by the program. Okay, but nothing is comparable statement in the paragraph, so it is also wrong. The advances are not as significant as the public believes them to be. Okay, nothing is given about a software has been built which creates art that could not have been imagined by the program. Has been built which creates art that could not have been imagined by the programmer. So our answer is attained in this field. A great deal of progress. A great deal of progress is one of a growing number of computer programs which software makers claim. Okay. And so first is B option. According to Gerents Wiggins, why are many people worried by computer art? Why are many people worried by computer art? And according to Wiggins. Okay, let's look at the options. So again, it is aesthetically inferior to human art. Okay, inferior to human art. It may ultimately supersede human art. Let's look at these verbs only. We will be looking focusing on these words. We will find these words. It undermines a fundamental human quality. It will lead to a deterioration in human ability. Okay, let's read it. Where is Giggins? Here is Giggins in the second paragraph. Of course, in the first question it was given about first paragraph, and it now of course in the second question we will be looking for second paragraph. Okay. Creative acts regularly. If we can break this process, computer code where this human being, where that leave human creativity. This is a question at the very core of humanity, says Gerent Wiggins, a computational creativity researchers advocate. It scares a lot. It scares a lot. It scares a lot of people. They are worried that it is taking something special away from what it means to be human. What it means to be human. Okay, it aesthetically inferior to human art. Nothing is given about this thing. It may ultimately supersede human art. Nothing is given about superseding human art. It undermines a fundamental human quality. Fundamental human quality. Yes, it will undermines a human quality. Okay, it will lead to a deterioration in human ability. Yes, I am. Let's verify these two options. It will lead to a, it is in future tense and it is in present tense. Let's read it. Okay, it scares a lot of people. Of course, they are worried. It is in present tense that it is taking something special. The writer is talking about present tense, something special away from what it means to be human. What it means to be human? What it means? it is not the correct option. Let's cut it. It undermines a fundamental human quality. It undermines taking something special away from what it means to be human. Okay, let's read it. Third question. What is the key difference between Aaron and the painting fool? Aaron and the painting fool. Okay, difference, we have to look at the difference. It's programmer's background. Okay, public responses to its work, the source of its subject matter, source, the technical standard of its output. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, Aaron, and now the question is asking about the key difference between Aaron and painting fool. Okay, now the question is, to some extent we are all familiar with computerized art. The question is, where does the work of the artist stop and the creativity of the computer begin? Consider one of the oldest machine artists, Aaron, a robot that has had paintings exhibited in London State Modern Art. Aaron can pick up a paintbrush and paint on canvas on its own. Impressive, perhaps, but it is still little more than a tool to realize the programmer's own creative ideas. So what it can come, but where is the difference? But it is still little more than a tool to realize the programmer's own creative ideas. But it is still little more than a tool to realize the program's own creative ideas. Okay, let's read at the options. It is given 29 is, okay, its programmer's background, public response to its work, the source of its subject matter, the technical standard of its outcome. Okay, yes, I can see for the next question, 30th question, we are doing 29th. For the 30th question, the writer is asking to go for the fourth paragraph. It means we have to look for the answer for this answer in the third paragraph only. Yes, it is still a little more than a tool to realize the programmer's own creative ideas. Where is tool can we get? Programmer's background, no. Public response to its work, no. The source of its subject matter, yes, I can guess tool instead of tool. It is saying the source of its subject matter, but it is still little more than a tool to realize the programmer's own creative ideas. Creative ideas is subject matter, the source of its subject matter. In this way, it is C is the option. Technical standard of its output is not the correct answer. Subject matter we have found in the paragraphs like this. It is still little more than a tool. Then a tool is maybe technical or something like to realize the programmer's own creative ideas, means subject matter. Let's look at the fourth paragraph as well as 30th question. What point does Simon Colton make in the fourth paragraph? Okay, let's read the options. Software produced art is often dismissed as childish and simplistic. Okay, childish and simplistic, there must be given this word. The same concept of creativity should not be applied to all forms of art. Okay, it is unreasonable to expect a machine to be as imaginative as a human being. People tend to judge computer art and human art according to different criteria. Okay, criteria. Let's read at the fourth paragraph now. It's a longer paragraph actually. Let's read it carefully. Simon Colton, the designer of painting, is keen to make sure his creation doesn't attract the same criticism. Unlike earlier artists such as Aaron, the painting fool only needs minimal direction and can come with its own concept by going online for material. Okay, the software runs its own web searches and trawls through social media sites. It's now beginning to display kind of imagination too, creating pictures from scratch. Okay, I think I have lost the main clue from question 4th, from the 30th question. What point does Simon Colton make in the 4th paragraph? Okay, what point he is trying to say? Okay, can come with up on concept by going online for material. The software runs its own web searches and trolls through social media sites. It's now beginning to display kind of imagination too, creating pictures from scratch. One of its original work is a series of fuzzy landscape depicting, okay, while some might say mechanical look, Colton argues, okay, that such reactions arise from people's double standard towards software produced and human produced act. After all, he says, consider that painting fool painted the landscape without reference. If a child say it has a certain level of imagination, he points out the same should be true of a machine. The same should be true of a machine. Software bugs can also lead to an unexpected result. Some of the painting fool's painting of a chair come out in black and white thanks to a technical glitch. This gives the work an eerie ghost-like quality. Human artists like the renowned Ellsworth Kelly are lauded for limiting their color palette. So why should computers be any different? Okay, let's look at the option for 30th. Okay, software produced art is often dismissed as a childish. Nothing is given about these childish and simplistic. The same concept of creativity should not be applied to all forms of art. Nothing is given about it. It is unreasonable to expect a machine, okay, machine was given, to be as imaginative as a human being. No. People tend to judge computer art and human art according to different criteria. Yes, it is given like here. People tend to judge. Yes, it is given. If it change, okay, there should be some of the paintings, okay. Human artists like the, from here we can read the whole paragraph. We have to read, okay. Let's read it. To display pictures, one of the original, okay. Some might say they have a mechanical look. Colton argues that such reactions arise from people's double standards towards software produced and human produced, art. After all, he says, consider that painting fool painted the landscape without referring to a photo. If a child painted a new scene from its head, you would say it has a certain level of imagination. He points out the same should be true of a machine. Software bugs can also lead to unexpected result. And here it is given very clearly. Some of the painting fool's painting of a chair come out in black and white thanks to a technical glitch. Here it is given. People tend to judge computer art and human art according to different criteria, okay. This is right. And here it was given like it, the statement was also given, it is unreasonable to expect a machine to be as imaginative as a human being. No. Expect a machine to be imaginative as a human being. Nothing is given about it. Last is, the writer refers to the paintings of a chair as an example of computer art, which the writer refers to a painting of a chair, paintings of a chair as an example of computer art, which here in the 30th question, yes, I can say from people's double standard towards software produced and human produced art. While some might say that they have a mechanical look, and Colton argues that such reactions arise from people's double standard towards software produced and human produced. People tend to judge, yes, it is given, computer art and human art according to different criteria. People's double standard towards software produced and human produced art. Yes, we have found this statement clearly, this one. Okay, let's read it. The next one, paintings of a chair. Yes, paintings of a chair, it is given here, paintings of a chair. Yes, let's read let's read the options. Achieves a particularly striking effect, okay. exhibits a certain level of genuine artistic skill, closely resembles that of a well-known artist, highlights the technical limitations of the software. Okay, what it is saying, some of the paintings, full painting of a chair came out in black and white thanks to technical glitch. This gives the work an array goose-like quality. Human artists like the renowned Ellsworth Kelly are lauded for limiting their color palette. So why should computers be any different? Okay. From here, you can also read from here. If a child painted a new scene, okay, here the same should be true of a machine. Software bugs can also lead to unexpected result. Some of the paintings, full painting of a chair came out in black and white thanks to technical glitch. Okay, what the options are saying, achieves a particularly striking effect. Okay, I think this is matching. Exhibits a certain level of genuine artistic skill. No, closely resembles that of a well-known artist. Of course, well-known artist is given. Human artists like the renowned Ellsworth Kelly are lauded for limiting their color palette. So why should computers be any different? No. Closely resembles that of a well-known artist. No. Highlights the technical limitations of the software. Yes, it is given, but we have to verify, we have to match the proper. There should be true of a machine. Okay, some of the paintings full thanks to a technical glitch. This gives the work of an array. Okay, human artists. No. Why should computers be different? The same should be true of a machine. Software bugs can also lead to unexpected results. Some of the paintings of a chair came out in black and white thanks to a technical glitch. Yes, thanks to a technical glitch achieves a particularly striking effect. Yes, for this we have this option. Let's move on to next type of questions we have. Here it is. Now the questions are 32 to 37. Complete each sentences with the correct endings. Okay, let's read at the list of headings also. First we will be reading the list of ideas, and then turn wise we will be reading these. Generating work that was virtually indistinguishable from that of humans. Generating work. Okay, indistinguishable. Knowing whether it was the work of humans or software. Knowing we will come to know about from this word only. Producing work entirely dependent on the imagination of creator. Comparing, there must be some comparison given in the paragraph. The artist achievement of humans and computers. Revealing the technical details of his program. Okay, technical details. Persuading the public to appreciate computer art. Okay, discovering that it was the product of a computer program. Okay, let's read the statement. Simon Colton says it is important to consider the long-term view. Okay, let's look at the paragraph passage where the Simon Colton is given. Simon Colton, yes, it is given here. Yes, Simon Colton, the designer of the painting. To make sure, let's read it. Minimal direction can come with concept by going online material. The software run its, what the statement is asking us to. It is important to consider the long-term view. Long-term view. What is long-term view? Okay. Unlike, let's read it. Already we have read out. Going online doesn't attract. Okay. Came up concept. The software run its. The software run through social media. Beginning, display, creating, scratch, have a mechanical look. Colton argues. Okay, we will be reading the main lines which the writer is saying about in the inverted comma. He points out, okay, the same should be true of a machine. He points out, of course, for this. After all, he says, consider it painting the landscape about referring to a photo. Let's look at the options, ideas, list of ideas which they have given. Okay. Generating work that has virtually indistinguishable from that of humans. No. Knowing whether it was the work of humans or software. Producing work entirely dependent on the imagination of its creator. Comparing artistic achievements of human and computers. Yes, comparing. Here it is given in comparing, comparable statement from here. Okay, let's read it from here. I'll tell you where is the exact location. Colton argues that reactions arise from people's double standard. Okay, this we have done. Yes, here we can also take such reactions arise from people's double standards towards software produced and human produced. Yes, now it is comparison is given about towards software produced and human produced art. Yes, it is given comparing the artistic achievements of humans and computers. So let's cut it from the list of options. For 32 it is D. It is D. Now move on to the next 33. David Cope's EMI software surprised people by. David Cope's EMI software. Okay, now we have done with the first page of this reading. Let's move on to the next page of the reading. Is we will be looking for the word David Cope. It is given in the question. David Cope's EMI software surprised people by. Okay, let's look at the EMI. Here it is given. Even EMI invented a program, okay, called Experiments in Musical Intelligence, or EMI. Not only did EMI create compositions in Cope style, but also that of the most revered classical composers, including Bach. Okay, audiences were moved to tears, and EMI even fooled classical music experts who thinking they were hearing genuine Bach. Not everyone was impressed, however. Okay, let's read at the options. Generating work that was virtually indistinguishable from that of humans. Okay, I think generating work. What generating work it was given? Invented a program. Okay, not only did EMI create compositions in Cope style, revered classical composers. Okay, generating is creating. See, you have to learn simple words and their synonyms. It will be very helpful in finding the answers in reading passage. So creating work that was virtually indistinguishable from that of humans. Indistinguishable, what it is, that most of the revered classical composers, including audiences, were moved to tears, and even fooled classical music experts into thinking they were hearing genuine Bach. Not everyone was impressed. Okay, so okay, according to my point of view, this is the correct answer. Okay, but let's read the other options also. Knowing whether it was the work of human or software. No. Producing work entirely dependent on the imagination of its creator. No. Revealing the technical details of his program. No. Persuading the public to appreciate computer art. No. Discovering it was the product. No. So it means A is the perfect answer for 33. Let's read it next. 34. Geraint Wiggins criticized Cope for not. Wiggins. Let's read it. Where is Wiggins? Yes, I got this word, Wiggins. For some, because not everyone was impressed, however, some such as Wiggins have blasted Cope's work as pseudo-science and condemned him for his deliberately vague explanation of how the software worked. Meanwhile, Douglas. Okay, now the next writer has come. Let's read the options. It is very easy to find these kinds of questions because these are in the order-wise. These are in order-wise in the passage. Okay, Gerents criticized Cope for not knowing whether it was the work of humans or software, producing work entirely dependent on the imagination of its creator. No. And revealing the technical details of his program. Yes, revealing the technical details of his program. Yes, he has revealed. Yes, it is given. Have blasted means revealed Cope's work as pseudoscience. Okay, so let's cut it from the option and write here E. Let's move on to 35. Douglas Hofstadter claimed that EMI was. Okay, now it's turn for Douglas. Yes, it is given. Of Indiana University said EMI created a replicas which still rely completely on the original artist's creative impulses. Okay, replicas is okay. Knowing whether it was the work of humans or software. No. Producing work entirely dependent on the imagination of its creator. Producing work entirely dependent on the imagination of its creator. Yes. Created replicas which still rely is given completely on the original artist's creative impulses. Yes. Producing work entirely dependent on the imagination of its creator. So let's cut it from the list of options, and 35th is C. 36. Audiences who had listened to EMI's music became angry. Okay, now it's given about audiences. Yes, when audiences found out the truth, they were often outraged. They were in angrily mood with Cope, and one music lover even tried to punch him. Amid such controversy, Cope destroyed EMI's vital database. Okay, what the audiences who had listened to music became angry after knowing whether it was the work of humans or society. No. Persuading the public. No. Okay, 36 is okay. Discovering that it was the product of a computer program. Yes. Found is given. Discovered means discovered that the truth. They were often outraged with Cope, and one music lover even tried to punch him. Amid such controversy, Cope destroyed EMI's vital database. Vital database is computer program. It was the product of a computer program. Discovering is found out. It is given in the past tense, found out and discovering it because the sentence is in past tense, so in the paragraph also it is in past tense. What they have, audiences found out the truth. Okay, so let's cut it from the list of options, and for 36 is G. Now we have left with 37. The participants in David Moffat's study had to access music without. The participant in David Moffat's study had to access music without. Now we have left with two options, B and F. Okay, let's read it. Where is Moffat? Yes, here it is, Moffat. What Mr. Moffat is saying, a study by computer scientist David Moffat of Glasgow University provides a clue. He asked both expert musicians and non-experts to access 6 compositions. The participants weren't told beforehand whether the tunes were composed by humans or computers. Okay, yes, human or computers is given humans or software, knowing whether it was the work of humans or software. Yes, it is clear, this is the answer. Excuse me. So we will be writing the answer here. 2, knowing whether it was the work of human or society or works. Sorry, no, we have already done this. Sorry, what I was doing. 37, the participant in David Moffat's study had to access music without knowing whether it was the work of humans or software. So B is the answer for this. In this way we have completed this. Complete each sentences. Now we have left with 3 questions also. Let's move on to the 3 questions we have left. This is we have 3 types of questions. 3 types of questions in this passage, reading passage 3. So it is a longer passage. Let's read out the options, and these are the instructions you should read. We have to write yes, no or not given. Let's read it very fastly. 38. Moffat's research may help explain people's reaction to EMI, whether it is true or false. According to my guesswork, it may be true, or sorry, it may be yes, because it is a simple sentence, and of course may word has come, so let's write it yes, but please verify it before putting the final answer. Where is Mr. Moffat? Okay, provides a clue. What the statement is asking. May help explain people's reaction to EMI. Okay, he asked both musician and non-experts to access 6 composition. The participants weren't told. Okay, participants, of course. Okay, they were asked to guess and then rate how much they liked each one. People who thought the composer was a computer tended to dislike the piece more than those who believed it was human. This was true even among the experts. Okay, let's not read further. We have got the answer. Moffat's research may help explain people's reaction to EMI. It is yes. It is yes. People who thought the composer was a computer tended to, the whole experience, the whole experiment he has given it. It means this is true. This is yes. The next is the known experts in Moffat's study all responded in a practical way. The known experts in Moffat's study all responded in a predictable way. It is nothing is given about. Okay, let's read it further. Predictable way. This was even among the experts who might have been expected to be more objective in their analysis. Who might have been. The known experts in Moffat's study all responded. All responded in a predictable way. Where is known experts? Known experts is given to access 6 composition. The participants weren't told beforehand. Okay, we already know what it is written over here. People thought the composer was a computer tending to dislike the piece more than those who believed it was human. This was even true even among the experts who might have been expected to be more objective in their analysis. Study all responded in a predictable way, but it is not given in, they will be given predictable way. So I think it is not given. I have not found the proper sentence in this paragraph, and here and in the next passage they are talking about something different. So we have to find, we couldn't find the answer from here to here. It means this is not given, might have been expected. Okay, let's move on to the next question is Justin Kruger's finding cast doubt on Paul Bloom's theory about people's prejudice towards computer art. Okay, let's read it. Paul Bloom has a suggestion. He reckons part of the pleasure we get from art creative process behind the work. This can give an irresistible, says Bloom. Meanwhile, experiments by Justin Kruger of New York have shown that people's enjoyment of an artwork increases if they think more time and effort was needed to create it. Similarly, okay, let's read it. Justin Kruger's finding casts doubt on findings cast doubt on Paul Bloom's theory about people's prejudice towards computer art. Okay, let's find it. Meanwhile, experiments by Justin have shown that people's enjoyment of an artwork increases if they think more time and effort was needed to create it. Similarly, expand, they wonder what the artist is trying to tell them. It seems therefore with computer producing art, this speculation is cut short. There is nothing to explore. Cast doubt on Paul Bloom's theory about people's prejudice. But here he is not doing any doubt. I don't find any. Think more time and effort was needed to create it. Similarly, Colton thinks people experiences art. They wonder what the artist might have been thinking. It seems obvious, therefore, while computer producing speculation is cut short, there is nothing to explore. But as technology becomes increasingly complex, this is precisely why Colton asked the painting fool to tap into online social. But Justin Kruger have shown that people's enjoyment artwork increases if they think. But nothing is given about this thing also. So Justin Kruger's finding casts doubt on Paul Bloom's theory about, so it will come as no. Of course, yes has come, not given has come. Naturally, the last answer would come no only. So thank you so much. Thanks.